Streetlights blink like they've lost their minds. Puddles holding secrets left behind. The air is thick with stories untold. Echoes of a night's embrace gone cold. Graffiti whispers where dreams once flew. The curb knows tears and midnight's hue. A bottle rolls where no feet tread. A stubborn ghost just shakes its head. A street corner wet with sadness and sighs. Every shadow wears a thin disguise. Windows glisten like they're holding back tears. This pavement's been crying for years. A moonbeam limps through a crack in the cloud, tugging its veil like a hesitant shroud. Cars hiss by, but it's never quite loud. This corner knows being alone at its proud. The wind hums low like a secret hymn. Tomorrow waits at the horizon's rim, but tonight this corner owns my